My life as a mechanic. Well, my routine as a mechanic is quite simple. The smell of engine oil and the acrid taste of metal mix in the center of my workshop. Every morning, I step into a world where wrenches are my tools of creation and grease is the paint on my canvas. As a seasoned mechanic, I navigate the intricacies of engines, diagnosing their ailments with a precision born of years in the trade. My interest in the inner workings of cars inspired me to pursue a career in grease and gears as a young apprentice. Guided by seasoned mentors and fueled by a relentless passion, I honed my skills until each engine revealed its secrets to my trained eye and practiced hand. I enjoy my art most when I can actually see a change. It's a satisfaction that never gets old, from the sputtering, sick engine that stumbles into my garage to the purring powerhouse that emerges, revived and eager to take on the open road. Every night as I drive home, I'm accompanied by the harmonious hum of a finely tuned motor and the symphony of shifting gears. However, every wrench turner is aware of the less appealing aspect. The trials that come with the territory include the scratched knuckles and the implacable bolts. However, it is a dance, a tango with the machinery, and every obstacle overcome is a triumph attained. When it comes to cars, I've seen it all. While some models are paragons of reliability, others are more prone to ailments. European luxury cars, for instance, can be exquisite, but their complex systems demand meticulous care. On the other hand, Japanese vehicles often boast a reputation for steadfast dependability, a testament to their engineering finesse. To keep your car running smoothly, regular maintenance is key. Change the oil like clockwork, pay heed to the transmission, and ensure your brakes are always at their best. Treat your car with the same care you'd afford a trusted companion, and it will repay you with years of faithful service. Beyond my daily work, I take pride in my collection of vintage cars. Each one is a piece of history, a testament to the evolution of automotive engineering. To those seeking advice on acquiring their dream ride, I say this: research is your ally. Know the model, study its quirks, and don't hesitate to seek the counsel of seasoned enthusiasts. When it comes to navigating the world of car dealerships, transparency is paramount. Don't be swayed by flashy sales pitches or hidden fees. Know your budget, do your research, and don't hesitate to negotiate. Remember, a vehicle is an investment, and you have every right to ensure it's a wise one. Whether you're buying or selling, trust your instincts. A reputable dealership will stand by their product, and a fair deal is one where both parties walk away satisfied. It's a dance of negotiation, a tango of trust, and with the right steps, you'll drive away with a smile on your face. In the end, my life as a mechanic is more than just a job. It's a passion, a calling, a vocation that allows me to shape the very heartbeat of these machines. With grease-stained hands and a heart full of reverence for the art of engineering, I step into the garage each morning, ready to turn wrenches and turn ordinary cars into extraordinary marvels. Amidst the chorus of clinking tools and the rhythmic hum of engines, my days unfold in a symphony of steel and sweat. Each car that rolls into my garage carries with it a story, a history written in oil stains and worn tires. It's a privilege to be entrusted with these mechanical companions, to breathe life back into their weary frames. As I delve into the intricate dance of gears and pistons, I can't help but reflect on the evolution of automotive engineering. From the classics that exude timeless elegance to the modern marvels of efficiency and power, each car is a testament to human ingenuity. It's this fusion of art and science that keeps me captivated day after day. The nostalgia that envelopes my vintage car collection is akin to a journey through time. Each vehicle bears the marks of an era long past, a reminder of the craftsmanship that once defined automotive excellence. From the roaring engines of muscle cars to the graceful curves of mid-century classics, my collection is a living museum, a homage to the pioneers of automotive design. When it comes to selecting the perfect car, I often find myself offering advice to eager enthusiasts. It's not just about horsepower and sleek curves, it's about finding a vehicle that resonates with your lifestyle and preferences. Consider the practicality of your daily commute, the thrill of weekend getaways, and the space you'll need for your adventures. A car, after all, should be an extension of yourself. Navigating the realm of car dealerships can be a daunting task for the uninitiated. The glossy brochures and persuasive pitches can lead even the most discerning buyer astray. That's why I always encourage my customers to trust their instincts and do their due diligence. Seek out reputable dealerships with a history of customer satisfaction and never shy away from asking questions. A transparent transaction is the foundation of a successful car buying experience. Selling a car can be equally challenging, but it's important to remember that knowledge is your greatest asset. Understand the market value of your vehicle, taking into account factors like age, condition, and mileage. Don't be swayed by lowball offers. Instead, be prepared to negotiate confidently. And remember, a well-maintained car with a documented service history is a valuable commodity. As the sun sets on another day in the garage, I can't help but feel a profound sense of gratitude. The world of wrenches and wonders has been my sanctuary, a realm where passion meets purpose. With every engine I revive and every car I guide into the capable hands of its owner, I'm reminded of the enduring legacy of automotive craftsmanship. To my mind, being a mechanic isn't just a profession, it's a calling. It's a journey of perpetual learning, a dance with the ever-evolving technology that drives us forward. And as I stand amidst the mechanical marvels, surrounded by the echoes of engines and the scent of motor oil, I know that I'm exactly where I'm meant to be.
Thank you for listening to English Audio Lounge. We hope you have enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more audio stories to improve your listening.